Okay, I'm nailing my, I don't know, 36 hours of dry fasting. And my first day I didn't feel it. Second day I am feeling it. Totally weak. And getting up was, slept almost 10 hours. I did urinate first thing in the morning. It was a little bit, it was a little yellow. But I noticed that everything was a chore. Uh, Making my bed, energy. Put on my socks, energy. I had to do laundry, oh my gosh, how am I going to do it? And I did wake up in a little bit of a sweat. Nothing major, but a little bit of a sweat. So my 36 hour, no, 40th hour, not 40, 4 o'clock is 6 hours. 42nd hour, that's how it is. My goal is 144 hours, so we'll see. I'm taking one day at a time. If I feel like I have to stop, I'll stop. Make sure I'm not getting near food at all. And I'm craving coffee. That's 42nd hour. Stay tuned. I probably have to take one drive today. And that's it. Feeling good. Nothing major. Just a little tired. My biggest factor is I shouldn't have worked all day. Yesterday I worked all day. 2 days of work. So if I have to do this again, I'll make sure I won't work when I begin it. Okay, bye for now.